I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while. You can miss it.
20 brake, 24 foot-pound extra.
Do you want to tell me about this motor?
Yep.
You want to tell me about this motor?
Yeah, it's a 190 cup car built on a new shell. It's got the VHPD engine in.
Yeah.
So the Rover Motorsport engine, 190 horsepower, steel crank, special head on an injection. So we're gonna race it. It's done a bit of racing in the past, and it won at Silverstone, the big anniversary race. So
that's
it's
great
a
stuff.
front-running car, and we've got it out at Alton Park in 2 weeks. So yeah.
Fantastic.
Should be interesting, yeah.
Well, let's get her on the dyno and see what she makes then. See if she's healthy.
Should be 190.
Should be 190.
He's said the last one was 140 and 160. I ain't got a clue.